Hello, I'm John Walsh and I'm here at Forbidden Planet London to sign copies of my new book, Doctor Who and the Daleks, the official story of the films.
We're very pleased to announce that taking place from 5 o'clock, we have a signing session with John Walsh for the brand new book, Doctor Who and the Daleks, the official story of the films.
This is my fourth making of film book. I did a book on the lost films of Ray Harryhausen, a making of Flash Gordon and Escape from New York. And I'm a massive fan, I'm a massive Doctor Who fan, and I'm a massive fan of these Peter Cushing films, even though the lineage is not quite accurate, because he's a different type of Doctor. He's not quite the Time Lord that people are used to from the TV series. For people who don't know the films, these movies had a much larger budget than the TV series, so of course this is what Doctor Who on television could have looked like if hundreds of thousands of pounds were spent at the time, or the equivalent of millions today. These movies are special and a book is needed because there hasn't been one. All these years later there's been many sort of magazines and great books on Doctor Who, whether it's the making of the series or fan fiction and proper fiction by professional writers, but nothing on the Doctor Who films outside of the films themselves being released. The BBC, of course, were involved with Studio Canal and Tyson Books to make sure that everyone was happy with the rights. And now, for the first time, the story's been officially told, with access to all of the behind-the-scenes photos, documents, and interviews with the existing cast members as well, which is wonderful, all in one volume. We found pictures that haven't been published before, and we found out facts about the insurance, about the budgets, and just about the logistics of the films being made. Thanks to everyone who's bought this new book, and I hope that you get to leave a review on Amazon. If you want a signed copy of the book, you can contact me directly for an individual book plate and bookmark. We have a limited number available. But thanks for supporting me on this book. Check out my other ones too.